Hello dear student, this is Palash Chakraborty, Assistant Teacher, Square High School and College. Welcome to my class. Subject Hindu Religion and Moral Education, Class 8, Chapter 4, Lesson 3. Let's go through the text. So today's topic, here we have a picture. A common picture. So in our previous class, we have also learned from this chapter. So the today's topic is Nitya Karma and Yagasana. So the daily practices are absolutely holy duty. So by the practicing of daily practices, yoga, asceticism, to worship God, action and duties, enjoyment, joy, amusement, all of these good works would be enjoyable and will be gained earthly and spiritual goodness. So body is the original source of spiritual activities. So it's necessary to practice meditation for everybody for keeping well body and peaceful mind. That is Shariram Adhang Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. So today's lesson is Bhujangasana. So here we have a picture. So it's the structure, it's the posture of the body that is called Bhujangasana. So let's go through the brief concept of Bhujangasana. So the word Bhujanga means serpent. The upper portion of the body raises towards up from the waist when stay at this seat. So at this asana, the person who practices looks like a serpent. That means when a serpent expands its hood, become like that. So the name of this asana is Bhujangasana. So it is also called Sharpasana. So seat of serpent. So method of exercise. So the muscles of whole body relaxes. Attach 2 feet and spreading lengthwise, lie down with face and chest on the ground. So the toes of the legs stick to the ground. The knee, thigh and ankle will remain straight. 2 hands fold from elbow. 2 palms of 2 hands keep on the ground by the side near to the ribs. Then after that, keeping the weight of the body on the hands straightly, slightly, pulling the chin lifts up, bends the neck towards the back, and at the same time the lower portion of the body from the foot to the nape keeping attached to the ground, upper portion of the body keeping up on the hands with no heavy pressure. Press only on the chest and waist. So at this position of whole body would be relaxed for 30 seconds. After this, belly, chest, neck and chin keeping down attached to the ground and lie down upwards direction in Shavasana, and we'll have to take rest for 30 seconds. So this is the method of practicing this Bhujangasana. So now we will know about the influence, that the benefit of this asana. So by practicing Bhujangasana, spinal cord remains flexible. Bended spinal cord becomes straight and plain. The rheumatism of spinal cord cures. The muscles of back and waist become strong. No pain can be there in the waist. The nervous system becomes vigorous. The looseness of body goes away. Build up new energy. The heart and lung become strong. the structure of chest becomes beautiful and charm of the body increases. The activities of liver and spleen become more, the digestive power increases. So for the diseases like indigestion, acidity, lack of appetite, gastric, high blood pressure, etc., getting good result. So those person who are stopping sideways, so the special benefit would be done for them. So this is all about the Bhujangasana. So keep practicing these asanas. So these will be actually so beneficial for your health. Just keep practicing this asana and try to read about the method and the influence, that is benefits of this asana. Try to read it. I'll take the feedback just later on with the asana exactly. Just keep practicing, keep reading. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your patience. Stay safe and be blessed. Thank you.